How to change ringtone on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can change ringtone on iPhone, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you want to actually change your ringtone on iPhone, you can't change it to a custom song but only the ones that Apple offers you, or you can get the premium subscription like Apple Music to use other songs as ringtone. Now you can simply open the settings application over here. Then over here you can see different sort of options here, right? So let me just go to sounds and haptics. Here under sounds and haptics you can see ringtone. So mine is currently set to reflection. You can set this to any of these that Apple has given you by default, or you can go to download all purchase tones or tones so to actually buy those. So you can't use a custom song as a ringtone, but you can go ahead and then use these ones that they have. So hope this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, queries or doubts, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.